workflows are a game changer when it comes to saving you time, getting results, and focusing your energy into the areas of your business that matter to you most. You'll notice we have some ready-to-go workflows loaded to your account here. For the purposes of this video, we want you to be able to understand how to read a workflow and the actions it takes to obtain a specific result you want. Let's begin by diving into the review request workflow. For this example, we want to get more Google reviews for our Google My Business profile. How will we do it? By asking current and past clients to submit their review and providing our review link if they say yes. Let's begin. Every workflow can begin by setting a trigger or by manually adding your contacts to that workflow. Once your trigger is chosen or you add these contacts manually, it will kick off the set of actions that will make up your workflow. You can see actions we've already chosen here. If I click on an action, the ability to edit it appears to the right of the screen. Once your edits are made, be sure to click Save Action in the bottom right. Once we have our actions in place, we're ready to test our workflow. Add yourself or a coworker as a contact in your account, along with their personal phone and email. That way you can use yourself or them as a test contact to see your hard work come to life. Choose Test Workflow up in the top right and select yourself as your contact. Click Run Test. Once you've worked out any kinks and have gotten your desired results, you can publish your workflow. Click your toggle switch and save. The next place we'll go is Workflow Settings. Workflow settings allow you to decide certain parameters for your workflow, such as setting windows of time that you would like this workflow to complete its actions, the sender information the recipient will see from any communications being sent out via email in your workflow, whether you'd like a single contact to enter this workflow more than once, whether you would like the contact to stop receiving any communication or future actions from this workflow if they respond to a specific message in it, and to auto-mark your conversations as read for any communication being sent out. Once you've set your settings, be sure to click Save. Your workflow is now live and ready to go. There's a long list of possibilities with workflows. If there's ever a thought of, gee, this would be so much easier if, or I wish I could, there's likely a way to build a workflow for that problem you're trying to solve. Now, take a look at what we've created for you, the recipes available to create workflows from, and get after it. We look forward to seeing how you elevate your business with Empower Workflows.